students, the last video we learned exercise 1.6 third and fourth question. Now I start with the fifth one. Evaluate the first one, 5 power 0 plus 6 power minus 1 into 3 power 2. So we know that the power formula a power 0, the answer is 1. A power minus m equal to 1 divided by a power m. Here we use the formula here. So 5 power 0, the answer is 1. Plus 6 power minus 1 can be written as 1 by 6 power plus 1, that is 6 only, into 3 square value, 3 3s are 9. So now we have to add the whole number and the fractions. So take LCM only, just you cross multiply here. 1 6 are 6, 6 plus 1 7. So 7 by 6 into 9. Here 6 and 9 and 6 and 9. So divisible by 3. So 6 table, 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9. So the remaining number is 7 into 3 divided by 2. So 7 3s are 21 divided by 2. So this is the answer. Second subdivision, 2 power minus 1 plus 3 power minus 1 divided by 6 power minus 1. Here also a power minus m formula, 1 divided by 2 power plus 1. So 2 power 1 equal to 2 only. Here also 1 divided by 3 divided by 1 divided by 6. That is 6 power 1, 6 only. So 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. This is the rational number addition only. So here denominator is different here. So we have to arrange the same denominator. So 3 ones are 3 plus 2 ones are 2 divided by 3 twos are 6 divided by 1 by 6. So 3 plus 2 5, 5 by 6 divided by 1 by 6. So 5 by 6. So division convert to multiplication means we have to take the reciprocal of the second fractions. So 6 divided by 1. Now 6 and 6 cancel. So the remaining number is 5 divided by 1. The answer is 5. So third question, 3 power minus 1 plus 4 power minus 2 plus 5 power minus 3 the whole power 0. So we know that formula a power 0, the answer is 1. So anything power 0, the value is 1. So the answer is 1. Here we use the formula a power 0 equal to 1. So this is the a value. So the answer is 1 only here, equal to 1. Sixth question, the first one, 3 power 2 the whole power 3, 2 into 3 power 5 the whole power minus 2 into 18 power 2. Here we use the formula a power m the whole power n equal to a power the product of m into n. Here 3 power, so 2 3s are 6 into, so here minus 2 is the common for 2 and 3. So 2 power minus 2 into 3 power plus into minus 5 2s are 10 into, so 18 is the LCM value here, 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9. So 18 can be written as 2 into 3 into 3 the whole power 2. So 2 is common for 2, 3 and 3 also. So 3 power 6 into 2 power minus 2 into 3 power minus 10 into 2 power 2, 3 power 2 into 3 power 2. So a power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n. Here base is equal, under multiplication is we have to add the power. So 3 power 6, here minus 10, 3 power 2, 3 power 2. So 2 plus 2 into 2 power minus 2, here plus 2. So minus 2 plus 2. So 3 power, so 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 2, 10. So plus 10 minus 10, the answer is 0 into 2 power plus 2 minus 2, the answer is 0. So anything power 0, the answer is 1. So 1 into 1 equal to 1. So this is the answer. So sixth question, second one, 9 power 2 into 7 power 3 into 2 power 5 divided by 84 power 3. First we have to take the LCM for big numbers. We have to arrange the same base. So 9 can be written as 3 power. So 9 equal to 3 3s are 9. So 3 power 2. Here 9 can be written as 3 power 2. So already one power is the whole power 2 into 7 power 3 into 2 power 5 divided by, so the LCM value 84 equal to 2 2s are 4, here 2 into 2, 7 into 3. So LCM value 2 into 2, 7 into 3, the whole power 3. So 3 power, so multiply the power, 2 2s are 4 into 7 power 3, 2 power 5 divided by, so 3 is common for 2, 7, 3. So 2 power 3 into again 2 power 3 into 7 power 3 into 3 power 3. Here 7 power 3, 7 power 3 cancel. So the remaining 3 power 4 into 2 power 5 divided by, here a power m into a power m. So here same base, under multiplication is we have to add the power. So 2 power 3 plus 3, 6 into 3 power 3. So we know that division formula, a power m divided by a power n equal to a power m minus n. So here 3 power 4 divided by 3 power 3. First you have to combine the base 3. 3 power 4, 3 power 3. So 3 power 4 minus 3 into 2 power 5, 2 power 6, 2 power 5 minus 6. So 3 power, here 4 minus 3, the answer is 1. So 3 power 1, that is 3 only here, into 2 power 5 minus 6 means minus 1 equal to 3 power. So 2 power minus 1 can be written as 1 divided by 2. So the answer is 3 ones are 3. So 3 divided by 2. Sixth question, third one, 2 power 8 into 2187 divided by 3 power 5 into 32. First we have to take the LCM value for 2187 and 32. Here 2 power 8 into, so 2187, the LCM value is 3 power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 3 power 7 divided by 3 power 5 into, so LCM 32 value is 2 power 5. So here we have to apply the division formula, a power m divided by a power n equal to, we should subtract the power. So 2 power 8 minus 5. First we have to combine the base 2, then 3 power 7 minus 5. So 2 power 8 minus 5, the answer is 3 into 3 power 7 minus 5, 2. So 2 power 3 value is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 into 3 square value is 9. So 8 9s are 72 is the answer. Seventh question, solve for x. The first one, 2 power 2x minus 1 divided by 2 power x plus 2 equal to 4. So the values are equal. We have to find the x value. Here the base value is 2. So a power m divided by a power n equal to a power m minus n. Therefore 2 power 2x minus 1 minus of the second power is x plus 2 equal to, so 4 can be written as 2 into 2, that is 2 power 2. 2 square value is 4. Here 2 power 2x minus 1. Here we should multiply the minus sign here. Plus into minus 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 x. Again plus into minus 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 2 equal to 2 power 2. Now we should add the like terms. 2x minus x, the answer is x. Minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 equal to 2 power 2. Here the base is equal. We have to compare the powers. So x minus 3 equal to, so base equal means power also equal. X minus 3 equal to 2. Therefore x value is 2 plus 3. The x value is 5. Second question. 5 power 5 into 5 power minus 4 into 5 power x divided by 5 power 12 equal to 5 power minus 5. Here all the base value is 5. Here 5 power, so a power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n. So we should add the powers here. Same base mean we should add the power. So 5 minus 4 plus x divided by 5 power 12 equal to 5 power minus 5. Now 5 power 5 minus 4, the answer is 1. 1 plus x divided by 5 power 12 equal to 5 power minus 5. So again we have to apply the power formula. A power m divided by a power n equal to a power m minus n. So division means we should subtract the power here. 1 plus x minus 12 equal to 5 power minus 5. So 5 power, so x 1 minus 12, the answer is minus 11 equal to 5 power minus 5. Here the base is equal, so power also equal. So here x minus 11 equal to minus 5. Therefore x value is minus 5. So minus 11 right side means plus 11 here. So x is equal to 11 minus 5, the answer is 6. So x value is 6. Eighth question. Expand using exponents. The first one, 6054 plus 321. So using exponential we have to write the expand form. So this is 1, 10, 100, 1000. So we can write 10 power 0, that is 1's place. 10 power 1, 10 power 2, 10 power 3. So like that only we write. In right 10 power minus 1, this is 10 power minus 2, 10 power minus 3. So 6 into 10 power 3 plus 0 into 10 power 2 plus 5 into 10 power minus 1 plus 4 into 10 power 0 plus 3 into here 10 power minus 1. That means 3 divided by 10, that is 0.3 here. So 3 into 10 power minus 1 plus 2 into 10 power minus 2, here 1 into 10 power minus 3. So like that only we write the expand form. The second question, so 897.14. Here also 10 power 0, 10 power 1, 10 power 2. Here 10 power minus 1, 10 power minus 2. So 8 into 10 power 2 plus 9 into 10 power 1 plus 7 into 10 power 0 plus 1 into 10 power minus 1 plus 4 into 10 power minus 2. So ninth question, find the number in standard form for the following expansion. Here the first one, so 2 into 1, that is 10 power 0, the answer is 1. So 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. So 87,652 point. So 10 power minus 1 is missing here. So put 0 into 10 power minus 2 is 4. So 10 power minus 3 also missing 0. So 10 power minus 4 here 7. So the answer is 87,652.0407. The second one also 10 power 0 is missing here. 10 power 1, 10 power 2 also missing. So in missing number we put the decimal 0 here. So 5050 point. So 10 power minus 1. So 5. 10 power minus 2 is missing here. 505. So the answer is 5050.505. The radius of hydrogen atom is 2.5 into 10 power minus 11. So we have to write the standard form. So 10 power minus 11 is 0 point only. So 0 point. So here only one decimal here. So 10 digit is missing only. So put 10 0 here. So 10 0 into 25. So 0.01025 is the answer. So next we have to write the scientific notation. So 123 equal to 1.23 into 10 power 2. So 1230 means we have to put the decimal point here only. So 1.230 into 10 power 3. So like that only we have to write the scientific notations. Here 0.00123 means put the decimal point here only. So 1.23. So here decimal counting is reverse only 1, 2, 3. So 10 power minus 3. Here also 1.23 the reverse counting 1, 2, that is 10 power minus 2. So like that only we have to write the scientific notation. The 10th question, write the following numbers in scientific notations. Here also put the decimal point, the first decimal here 4.678 into 10 to the power, how many digit here? Start from here only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 digit only. So 4.678 into 10 to the power 11. Here also put the decimal point here only 1.972 into 10 power reverse counting only here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 10 power minus 6 is the answer. Here also 1.642398 into 10 to the power, how many digit here? Here only 1, 2, 3. So 10 power 3. So whole number is 1642 only. So put the decimal here 1.642 into 10 to the power 3. So like that only you have to find out the 5th question. So thank you students. We will meet the next video class.